तैश है धड़कन, तैश जुनून है, तैश रगों में बना लहू है. Hello and welcome to Z5. Next up with me is Cyrus Saukar, and today we're going to be meeting the interesting cast of the upcoming film and the series called Taish. Now, the trailer looks super gripping, really mysterious, and it's been shot in some incredible locations. So now it's time to connect with the incredible cast and the director, Bijoy Nambiar of Taish. Okay. So guys, I'm super excited because we are here with the entire cast and of course the director of Taish. Kriti, welcome. Pulkit, welcome. Kim, Bijoy and Sanjeeta, thank you so much for joining us from various corners of the city, man. But guys, this is super, super exciting. First up, I saw the trailer. It looks incredible. But what I find incredible, even more incredible, is that it's a revenge thriller. It's a series and a movie, and it's releasing. Bijoy, can you run us through this and why that's happening? I don't think that's happened before.
It all happened because of the lockdown. Actually, the lockdown gave me enough time to play around in the edit. And the first cut of the film was very long. It was very long, and I when I showed that cut to like a test sample audience, I showed it to a couple of people, and most of them had this feedback that if this was a series, we would have wanted to kind of watch more and wanted to kind of get to know the characters more. It would have been more immersive. So that was the feedback they gave me, and for the film.
Right.
So that set me thinking, and me and my editor, who thankfully lives very close by to me, in the lockdown time, we both sat down on it and we tried a different kind of an edit where we first we actually broke it up into 3 parts and we did a limited series, like a 3-episode.
Right.
And then we further did another pass and we broke it down further into 6 episodes. That's how the thing started, of trying a completely different edit for the series and a completely different edit for the film. This is not the movie kind of chopped up into 6 pieces at all.
Right.
So someone watching the movie and someone watching the series, they are completely different in terms of the storytelling. The core of the story is the same, of course. But the narrative is way, way different in both the series as well as the film.
2 completely different experiences. But what an awesome ensemble cast. Can each of you just run me a little bit by the characters that you play and of course the world of Taish? Because when you see the trailer, it's a collection of so many different things. So who would like to start with just telling me a little bit about the film or the series? Kriti, we're going to start with you. You're looking.
Hi. So I play Arfa in the film, Arfa Khan. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. And it's the first time actually that I have done something that is, एक वो आपकी रूह को छू जाता है character. This is one of those characters for me.
Right.
I know that the passion I felt when Bijoy narrated the script to me, honestly, very frankly, was not just towards Arfa. I fell in love with each and every character that he narrated to me. I still remember we sitting by the pool in our Imperial Heights complex, and we're sitting by the pool and he narrated the script to me, and I had goosebumps, and I still have goosebumps as I'm speaking to you. And Bijoy Nambiar is a director who's been on my bucket list for a very long time, and it's the first name I've ticked off my bucket list, and he makes me feel like I'm a proud actor today because of Taish, and I owe it all to the entire team. To the entire.
Whoa.
That's so sweet.
Wow.
How you guys going to top this? Exactly. तुम लोग क्या बोलोगे?
हम क्या बोलेंगे?
It's not your fault. It's not your fault. Don't. You're having a meltdown. This was supposed to be the ending statement of the.
But we can call it quits here. We can stop here.
Yeah. So great, guys. Excellent. I'm so happy you guys love each other.
It's been lovely.
This was an excellent chat, guys.
Amazing. Jim, at this point in time, you were doing so well with that frame. Now there is a money plant growing out of your head. Jim, tell us about your character.
Oh my God! I wish I could show you the clips of. Yeah, exactly. Of Jim sending me clips of recording that. Taish Junoon.
Can we get hold of
Taish Baboon hai.
One misprint on the script.
Yeah.
One typo.
So he sent me this Taish hai dhadkan, Taish Junoon hai and all of that stuff, and I don't know. I just felt I immediately want to make something into a satire before doing the real version of it. So I sent him a video of like this, me with a lid being like Taish hai dhadkan, Taish Baboon hai.
You mailed it to me also. I forwarded to the AD thinking it's the right file.
Not that he has enough drama going on in his life already. Yes.
There's a money
movie.
plant growing out of his head, guys.
Yeah.
And Bijoy is like cutting a movie, is cutting a series, and now he's got Jim's random footage from another film.
Bijoy, that should come in the end credits, I think.
Yeah.
The end, after everything, Jim just saying, Tesh baboon hai.
Yeah. after Kriti's really emotional rant, Jim's just like Tesh Baboon hai.
I play a character named Rohan, and the story is basically about two families, two Indian families living in London, and there's an inciting event. There's an event that basically makes the two of the families kind of smash into each other. And then the rest of the film is basically the wreckage, male relationships in a way that I don't often see in a Bollywood structure.
Right.
About brothers or really good friends, or just in general,
Right.
how
Sub-layers.
cycles of trauma and abuse continue on, and and how they just bubbling inside of people, particularly men, because unfortunately I think in the society that we live in, men aren't allowed much emotional scope apart from things like anger or violence. Yeah. And men don't know how to deal with their emotions and haven't been given the tools or the opportunity to really be able to. And often the way that they end up dealing with their emotions is by talking to their best friend or by interacting with their best friend.
Right.
And that's really their only avenue.
And also, I've seen in lots of cinema, I noticed this a lot. Like every time they show two men talking, it's like two idiots talking. Like there's no like I feel like one guy will be like, मेरा divorce होने वाला है, मैं बहुत दुखी हूँ. It's like कुछ नहीं होता यार, चल beer पीते हैं. Ha. I'm like, this guy is not. They don't have real, like I'm in life. You really, it doesn't work like that. People have pretty intense conversation. Men are supremely gossipy and whatnot. So
they are. Yes.
All these wonderful layers. And while Jim again changes location, Pulkit, tell me about your character and who all are which family?
See, I'm playing this character called Sunny.
Okay.
He's a very dil fek aadmi, very, wearing his heart on the sleeve kind of a guy. Masti, mazak, not taking life too seriously. And the exact opposite of this is Rohan's character, who's, he has plans in life, he has goals in life. जो आप बेसिकली रोमांस में लड़का लड़की के बीच में देखते हो, वो सनी और रोहन के बीच में इसमें.
Lovely.
I was a little apprehensive कि यार मैं जिम के साथ कैसा लगूंगा. आप नॉर्मली करते हो ना कि यार ये लड़की के साथ कैसा लगूं. मैं genuinely ये सोच रहा था.
Sanjeeda. I need to know a little bit about your character.
Tesh is overwhelming for me. It's very special for me because it's my first film. And ये भी बोलना चाहूँगी.
Many more.
Inshallah. Yeah, but I think I feel very because I think Bijoy was already in everyone's bucket list. I got lucky because it's my first film. I got to work with him. But yes, for me, the journey of Tesh has been so special. And Tesh happened to me at the right time. Because as an actor, I think I wanted to creatively satisfy myself as a performer. I wanted to do something different. And you gave me the chance. And I love you for that. And I play a character of Jahan. And there are layers. जैसे हर character अपने family के लिए कुछ ना कुछ कर रहा है. तो आप ये देखोगे कि इस फिल्म में वो अपने family के लिए किस हद तक जा सकते हैं. So there are layers to all the characters. It's all about human emotions, their relationships with each other, and the intensity. जैसे teaser में आप देखते हो, they all play very intense characters, and each and every character, they are so strong and powerful. Yeah.
Correct. Bijoy, how difficult or how tricky was it? I feel like you've written various different personalities and lots of layers into the film, and then you have all these incredibly talented people that sort of bring their own magic to the screen, but handling them. Come on, Bijoy, now it's done. You can tell us.
Come on, B.
How many times do you go back to your room saying, dude, I'm just so tired of all these
Every day.
freaking bugs. What's the secret of handling? Tell us director's
About
secret.
Jim enjoyed it.
Jim is so funny.
Jim is saying lots of Advil. Yeah. The thing is, I was. There are two parts to it. One is handling them as a director, but I'm also the producer. So that's a different hat I have to wear. So so those are the things that I need to keep. But I have to keep my focus on to make sure that as a director, I should be able to handle them correctly so that they deliver. But at the same time, as a producer, I should make sure that they're comfortable enough. Time pe aa raha, gaadi time pe aa raha, so that they come to my set correctly. So
But
all
as a
that.
producer, you were like, Pulkit ka bill? हैं? ये कहाँ से आया?
ये खाना कहाँ से आया?
हाँ, कितना खा रहे हो? Go with Pulkit the next day. Listen, bro, we need you to like suddenly lose weight, like 7 Because Jim's been eating a lot also, and this is getting a bit tired of this. Rewritten your
They
role.
were all on some very very sparse keto diet kind of stuff. तो उन लोग सब everybody was trying to look the best. सब कम ही खा रहे थे. तो producer का bill उतना ज़्यादा नहीं है.
अच्छा, तो ठीक है. Okay, guys, we're gonna have a fun game now. It's basically what's gonna happen is we're gonna mute you guys, and
nice.
then one person are gonna say dialogues from the film, right? And you guys have to guess what dialogue it is. So Pulkit, you're gonna go for a dialogue, okay? And Kriti has to guess exactly what dialogue it is. So please use like your ready. Go for it.
What? Will we do it again? Tesh एक जुनू है.
Whoa! Well done. Well done.
Very nice,
Fantastic.
yaar.
That was
Very
fabulous.
क्योंकि तुझे सिर्फ वो याद है.
Oh, God.
Mimi. Sorry.
What?
है कि
Oh,
नहीं?
every dialogue. आपका नाम भाई सब तैश है जुनून. Okay. Okay. The next team is Jim and Sanjida. Sanjida,
Oh, we have to guess.
you're gonna say a dialogue, and Jim has to guess it.
Okay, I'm ready
Sometimes-
with the line.
Ready? Okay. So mute.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Say it again.
First word Pali.
मैं तुम्हारे बच्चे की माँ बनने वाली हूँ.
Oh my god.
I'm just saying any
Spoilers.
dialogue. Whatever.
ऐसा तो डायलॉग नहीं है पिक्चर में.
अरे मुझे पता है but और क्या बोलूं? पाली मैं तुमसे प्यार
मैं तुमसे प्यार करती हूँ. अरे
Nice, nice. Very good.
Nice. कहाँ से हुआ?
ऐसा
भाई?
भी डायलॉग नहीं है पिक्चर में.
बिजॉय थिंकिंग मैंने
हाँ.
इतने अच्छे डायलॉग लिखे ये लोग क्या बोले यार.
यार
यार हम लोग मूवी के डायलॉग्स रिवील नहीं कर सकते. मैं बोल दूं अपना डायलॉग?
15 मिनट से तुम लोग बोल रहे हो कि इतना अच्छा स्क्रिप्ट था, आंखों में आंसू आ गए. I still have goosebumps. I'm not even a goose and I have goosebumps. And फिर एक dialogue याद नहीं है. What kind of lame behavior is this? Okay, now we're going to play Pulkit and Jim. So
I
Jim,
know.
your dialogue.
It's looking nice.
You guys now
I have to give my dialogue from
yes,
the
you have to
movie.
go on mute.
मतलब मुझे तो दिख ही नहीं रहा है जिम.
Ah.
Once more.
टीटी खेले सनी टीटी
सनी
खेले.
टीटी खेले.
Correct?
Correct. This is not a random dialogue. This is a very
बराबर है.
interesting
It's
device.
a
in the
very
film.
very
And this was actually one of the most difficult sequence for us to shoot because we were supposed to shoot this by the lake, and the breeze was some 130 or something. It was insane breeze.
और
And
दोनों
it was
नंगे घूम रहे थे.
chilly.
Yeah.
हाँ.
और तुम नंगे
हम
घूम रहे
लोग,
थे.
हाँ.
You were playing naked TT. एक मिनट भाई साहब. विजय जी
I'm
ये कैसी
telling
फिल्म
you.
लिखी है आपने?
Let's say one. I'll do one dialogue which Bijoy used to use the most on the set. Let's see
okay.
if Bijoy can tell us that.
Okay, Vijay,
I
if you
hope.
Okay,
remember
Bijoy,
that
are you ready?
we're giving away a free pressure cooker if you get this one.
बेबी म्यूट कर खुद को. हाँ.
Yeah.
पैसा किधर है पैसा?
पैसा नहीं. Production किधर है? What production?
Sir, you are production.
And I would always think this only. Production किधर है? I'm like, sir, you are production.
Correct. Okay, this game is over. We will come back to questions now. Yeah.
बट यार मैंने तो अच्छे से किया, इतनी
बहुत-
ईमानदारी से, मेरा
बहुत
क्यों
अच्छा
लगता है
किया।
बहुत अच्छा किया आपने, और आपको ही मिल रहा है प्रेशर कुकर.
Jim also did
Very
I think
good.
everything
Thank
did
you so
really
much.
well.
And talking about Tesh, हमने बहुत कुछ बात करी है, but tell me behind the scenes, how was it, man?
Yeah, because this reminds me of one of the most exciting location that we shot at, which was a haunted prison.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that
It
was
was
amazing.
actually a
Thank you,
haunted
Pulkit.
prison, and everybody is trying to figure out ये वाले cell से क्यों खराटे मारने की आवाज आती है. That prison cell is actually famous for that कि वहाँ से खराटे मारने की आवाज आती है. And
I'm
like
not
a
kidding,
Sherlock, Bijoy has gone up to that cell and tried to break the lock and figure out कि ये किधर से आ रही है भाई ये.
Are you
And
serious?
all of us are shitting in their pants.
हाँ.
And they built like this gym in the courtyard where there
yeah.
was a basketball court also. So at some point, everyone had gone in, and I was like, "Oh, I have free time. I my bid is basically shot. I'll work out here in this gym briefly." And I thought, oh, it's just haunted prison, whatever, no big deal, blah 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 blah. And then it started to get dark, and I looked
Oh,
around. And I'm like, this is the guy that gets killed.
Dude,
The one guy that's like,
Yeah.
forget it.
Your
There's
Jim,
nothing.
Jim is that guy who decides to take a shower in the middle of the night.
Jim is that guy.
मैं जरा नहाने जाना चाहता हूँ.
Guy who goes to a haunted
ला, ला,
place.
ला, ला. हाँ.
You know in those haunted movies क्या होता है? There will be that one
Yeah,
guy who
yeah.
says, "भूत
Jim-
कुछ नहीं होता, मैं walk पे जाके आ रहा हूँ."
Correct.
Jim is that guy.
Yeah, मुझे कुछ नहीं होगा, मैं जाऊंगा, मैं नहाऊंगा. Okay, guys, you want one more quick game and then
I'll have to leave. I'm sorry. I'm
You're-
gonna
you're right.
power. So sorry.
no, not at all.
Guys, enjoy the game and
Thanks,
Thank you
Vijay.
so much, Cyrus.
Thank you,
so much.
congratulations.
See you, Bijoy.
Bye.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye.
Okay, now you guys have to play this game, which is lots of fun. In
Oh.
this game, I'm going to give you guys one emotion each, and you guys have to quickly run and get an object from your house or anywhere around you that depicts that emotion in any way.
Okay.
or form. Okay. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
First,
Okay.
let's start with Pulkit.
Yes.
You have to go with sadness. Chalo, sadness.
Sadness.
Yeah.
Something that is sadness.
Yeah, you have to run
Arre
around and
baap
find
re.
something.
Such a sad affair, yaar. This is the
Very
new
good,
normal.
very
That's such a
good,
sad
very
affair.
good.
That was beautiful. That was very nice, Pulkit. With zero movement, you've done something that many have not achieved in this game. Okay. Sanjeeda, laughter.
Haji. Okay, I'm
Yeah.
just gonna get my baby's toy. This can get
Nice.
smile on
Wow.
your face.
Ah, lovely.
This can get smile. Yeah.
Beautiful. Yeah, that works perfectly.
Yeah.
Okay. Jim, sensual.
What will I get?
Come
This
on,
is
Jim.
it.
Sensual, Jim. Sensual.
He's gonna get
Sensual.
anything, guys.
Jim. Dude, we haven't gone to the Serengeti for a holiday. I said sensual.
Yeah, that's sensual.
People
Listen,
watching
You
at
don't
home,
think-
there is
now
Have you
the
s-
people
do you
believe my
see
story
the-
of him digging his nose.
there is
Do
a
you see the
hippo.
expression in this hippo's eyes? I mean,
Yes.
if this hippo has not got it going on, I don't know how to explain
Yeah, and
to you.
my God, that's quite a bum. Yeah, but it's a very attractive hippo, and I wish it well on its dating life. Kriti, your cast is going to choose an emotion for you. Come on, guys, what emotion does Kriti have to go get? Chal, fun.
Happiness.
Fun
like
कर देते.
Oh wow!
I
Hi,
Pretty.
beautiful Drogo, man. Looking in the wrong
Peanut
direction.
butter.
do when you
who
want.
wants peanut butter?
Who wants peanut?
Ole.
Whoa, dude. That is
You want
awesome.
peanut butter? You want peanut butter? You want happy birthday?
Ole.
So
Dude, that's
birthday of
beautiful. Okay, guys, we've seen the teaser. The trailer is about to happen. If there's one reason why you guys think the audience should watch Tesh,
You know, there are two reasons to begin with.
yes, go for it.
First is the film, and then is the series part of it.
Nice.
You know, that's a very exciting thing for us as well. I think being a part of
Yeah.
something which is being released in two formats
Absolutely.
simultaneously, and the storytelling is very different in both the formats. If you want even more engrossing experience, getting into the world, relating to the characters much more, knowing the characters much more, then you go for the series part of it. So I think this first of its kind is a very exciting part for us, and that can be two reasons for sure to watch Tesh. And it's Bejoy Nambiar, yeah.
Wow, that makes sense, man. Absolutely. What about you, Kriti?
Tesh is a movie where, like I said before, everything is so interdependent. and everything will keep you glued from word go, because if you don't pay attention to one frame, you will probably lose out on the next without even realizing. It is an extremely commercial film. I would have loved to see it in a theater, because when I saw the teaser, and everyone who saw the teaser and who responded to me, they all said this film was made for the big screen. But this is one of those films that I think it'll be worth everyone's time.
And Sangeeta,
I feel there's nothing better happening on 29th of October, so you guys have to watch Tesh. So yes, watch Tesh for a great location, for great direction, for great story, for good-looking men, for pretty girls, and great direction.
but congratulations on such good work, and can't wait to watch the series and the movie and the trailer.
Thank you.
We watched the
Thank
teaser.
you so much.
And thanks so much for chatting with us, guys.
Thank you, Cyrus.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, Cyrus.
Thanks,
Thank you,
Cyrus.
Cyrus.
Thanks
guys.
for your time. Thanks for your
Thank
time.
you.
Thank you
You
for
can't sign
helping
off
us.
without saying Tesh ek junoo hai.
Tesh ek junoon hai. Guys, what an incredible ensemble cast of such incredible talent. Bijoy Nambiar, who is an incredible director. Plus, it's being released as a series or a feature film on the 29th of October. So you guys can choose which one you want to watch first. Keep yourselves free on the 29th of October. And remember, 3 easy steps: get popcorn, turn off the lights, and log on to Z5. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you to the cast who've been incredible and given us their time. And we'll catch you next time.